send him one tomorrow. Huh? I'm sure they will.
Give me South Level 1.
Okay.
Advise 620 if she hasn't already. She can give that caller take his phone number down and give it to our PIO for contact.
Kyoto, 1047 MV.
I think he's calling me now. I'll take care of that.
Kyoto, 1048 MV.
I can feel the bruising when the outside man. People deal with this their whole life. I can't imagine. No, they're not made for comfort. Well, no, why anybody would elect to do it? They could put rubber on the inside edge of it. Get out of jail in 8 hours, go back and have these things back on.
I think they kind of make it so the first time you get them on, you think about it getting...
Imagine if we laid them tough. What, the little fluffy covers, you know? And I'm guessing the zip ties aren't any better. I'm sure they hurt like hell.
No, because the zip ties go even tighter.
Now that's guys.
Huh?
I used to think it was like, hey, listen, no matter what, we're gonna check this gun. It's not stolen. Holy crap, it's stolen. You know? But that does. That didn't even cross. Yeah, you got to take the stolen ones off the streets. Huh? I said you have to take the stolen ones off the streets. You know? Yeah. That's why I hate leaving it in my car, bro. I hate it. At least before they kill somebody. Well, it's almost inevitable. From what I hear, I mean, they're stolen, and how long does it take for them to be used in the crime?
You guys missed the memo. It's shorts weather today.
Huh? Yeah.
You missed the memo. It's shorts weather today.
I was thinking about wearing pants, no go, bro.
No.
It's hot.
I know how you're doing it.
I'm outside in the sun for work every day. We're required to wear pants. Yeah, my legs are about as white as they get. He's weren't here before, right? This one, yeah, the man that was gonna sit in the truck. Wait. Man is sitting in the truck waiting for it.